What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about these coins right here. So guys, I got. Some of you at one point in time, just like myself, may have thought that these were error coins. Well, I'm here to tell you that they are not. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so if you take a close look at these coins, you'll see that something definitely looks off with these coins. And it's not just one side, it's both sides of every single one. They all have the same on the obverse and the reverse. And so I want to tell you guys this so it will prevent you from buying these coins. At first, I used to think these were missing clad layer errors or improperly annealed planchets. And I want to show you guys some examples of actual missing clad layer coins and improperly annealed planchets. Okay guys, so after looking at all those examples, one key thing to notice is that they weighed 4.7 grams. And you know, regular quarters are supposed to weigh at least 5.6. So that is one thing to take away from this video, as well as with the missing clad layer, most of them only have one side, not both sides. So when I say I got, guys. And I actually ended up sending one of these in to Annex to get graded, and it came back as environmental damage. Environmental damage, guys, a waste of $20, and it's only because I didn't have the proper, education in coins. I've only been doing this for about 2 years, so I'm still fairly new to it. And I actually sent this in about, I would say, at the beginning of the year. So at that time, I was still learning. I still am learning to this day. And so I want to share with you guys that these are all environmental damage coins and nothing more. They are not any specific errors. Please do not buy these online. Fortunately, I did not buy any of these. I found them in coin rolls and in coin collections. My great uncle had coin collections at his house, and he gave me these. And so also finding them in different coin rolls, because I'm always going to the bank and getting coin rolls. So that is the good part, but I still did end up spending $20 on getting this graded. So I'm down $20, and I don't want you to be down even more than that potentially. So yeah, guys, steer clear of the environmental damage coins. And if you ask why they look like this, it's most likely because of the environment that they were stored in. Either someone found them in the ground, or maybe they were in somebody's basement or attic, under a bunch of stuff. But it's strictly because of the environment that they were stored in. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.